Hello traders, in this video I'm going to be giving you a review of the moving average cross and zigzag strategy. You might have seen this on some YouTube channels, and basically I want to give due credit to some of these Russian traders out there because they obviously got something going. The only thing is, as you probably already feel, only they know what's going on. They're incomprehensible. No one knows what they're talking about. So in this video, I tried out the same settings and I tried to make sense of it because they're good. They're often always going like, we're waiting for a moment, and in this moment we are going to take this, and then in that moment, blah blah. So what the heck is a moment? All right. So in this video, I'm going to break it down for you, and in my best understanding, I hope this helps you out to understand how to use the SMA cross with the zigzag better. So by the way, if you find my videos helpful, please subscribe, hit the bell notifications button down below, and leave a like. And perhaps if you have any questions after this video, always remember there's the comment section down below. So let's get going with the strategy. Okay, so we're going to quickly recap what are the settings. Indicators can be added from here. The ideal time frame is the M1 or the 30-second. You can put it on either one of those. I would actually think that the 30-second works better after some trial and error. I think 30-second is better because we can get a better entry in most cases. Now for the settings wise, zigzag I use 5, 4, and 3. So deviation 5, depth 4, backstep 3. And for the SMA cross, we have two moving averages. I basically went to the menu over here. We're almost having a setup. Okay, I'm just waiting for the good entry point here. I'm waiting for the moment. Okay, we'll do one and explain it as we go. Okay, so I might as well talk you through the situation. What I found is often good to take like a 2-candle confirmation because there is a strong element of repainting. Okay, what can possibly happen? Repainting can happen. That's what happened over there. So repainting means the lines actually switching about. So what you want really is to have a candle close. This is the first candle where it actually crossed. Now we have shifted this zigzag to here, but I want this to at least close, and then I'll go in on the next candle. I want to see that the zigzag line has shifted. Oh dear, it's gone up a bit high. I hope we still can take it. Let's just wait and see. We want to see the zigzag moving over to the next candle. Okay, it is moving over to the next candle. Let's do it. Okay, so at that point, we have confirmation because of the close of the candle, so it didn't go against us like as opposed to this situation here. We had this, but in the span of that time, there was a bit of a repaint, and then candle went other way. And this, on the other hand, is a very good scenario. Okay, so we're gonna do this a couple of times until you guys get the hang of watching it. Looking out what to look out for. And can we do a follow-up trade? Can we do a follow-up trade? Likewise, we do a follow-up trade only if the zigzag moves it over to the side. So sorry, my English. Oh my God. So the zigzag moves its point from the previous candle onto the current candle. Then you can continue with a follow-up trade. Taking note that I am on the 30 seconds chart. Once again, I'm not on the M1. Why? Because if I'm on the M1, you're just going to have to wait a lot longer time for these things to happen, and you could be late. So from trial and error, I personally find that it's good to be on the 30-second chart. You may find something different. You could try it out as well. And don't forget, on the OTC there is also the 30-second expiries, so you can even do a 15 seconds chart perhaps. But I'm just assuming, because I have not tried it out, that that will have a bit more noise. Let the zigzag line move across. Oh no! But you know what? We might have a switch around. So, okay. So wait for this to close. Same thing. There's an expiration time over here. So wait for this to close, and then when the next candle appears, have this line move over to the next candle. So what I'm doing here is to help you identify what could potentially lose you money. and I hope this part helps. So if this is helpful to you, and if you want to see more videos like this, type me a yes in the comment section down below. And by the way, I do offer a free trading course via email. Do click the link in the description to get access to that. I have sequenced some of my best content into my email follow-up sequence so that you can have a good learning experience. Alright, there's a cross up over here. Same thing. We wait for this to move and then we go for it. Should I have waited one more candle for this entry? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm actually thinking I should have waited one more candle. So, the correct entry may have been here. That actually made it, but you know what? It's actually getting very tight. Yes, the next one would have been better if you think about it here and finishing off here for a minute, much cleaner win. Okay, so if you guessed a certain way, now you can see the result. All right, now let's do one final example on a different chart. And we have the cross down. By the way, you can set the colors in the style section. So we have the cross down. Wait for this candle to close, and next candle, and we shift the line. This is also breaking off a bit of a triangle formation, which is good. Okay, that's good. So we wait for this one, and there we go. Let's see how this turns out, because what I was just talking about, that triangle over there, was this. So there's a triangle that was forming up right here. However, this candle, as you can see, did close outside. But earlier, at the point of the entry, that was the potential complication that could happen, the triangle. So look at my previous video about trend lines. All right, trend lines and support resistance trading. There you have it. So this is yet another video in my series breaking down popular methods that are on YouTube. So once again, I want to give credit to some of these great traders out there who have some good methods, something good going, but maybe due to language, communication, the instructions are just incomprehensible. So let's say if some of you have something that you would like to understand, comment the strategy, the name of the channel for me in the comments. Or for those of you on my mailing list, you can even email me a link. You can get on my email list by clicking on the link in the video description and joining my email list, getting my free email course, and then email me a link of a method that you will like me to help you figure out, and I'll upload that into my YouTube channel coming up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Good trading.